Hello, good afternoon friends. Today I want to discuss with you a very classic pattern of share market of the technical analysis that is known as bump and run. Friends, before I go ahead, I would like you to please subscribe to your channel and comment in your channel, because that gives me energy to put more videos, to upload more videos. So friends, this is actually chart which I am holding is, you can see, of IRCTC. This chart actually, we see classic pattern of bump and run. Actually around 3,800 zone, it took almost a nearly perpendicular view and went up to 5,800 plus. Now this actually has happened in about say 10 days time, and according to the pattern from where actually the run started, the share market is likely to fall around that. So you can very conveniently, friends, see that this IRCTC is likely to touch around say 3,800 400 range. So please don't be in a hurry to buy the stock. Quite likely that in the process you may lose some money also. At the same time, there is one more stock which is Indian Energy Exchange. Now in Indian Energy Exchange is also a classic case of bump and run. You can see this has taken almost a perpendicular view, and it was touching would have gone somewhere about 900, but actually for 3 days the stock is coming down, and it has touched now 10 days moving average, and the stock is likely to fall around 620 to 650 or 60 range. Another, this is a classic case of bump and run. So I just want to share with you this information. Don't be in a hurry to buy the stock. Quite possible that the fall can be still there. See, it may be there, it may not be there. That it is a share market which is very unpredictable. But if the standard conditions apply, then of course the stock has a further stock can further fall down by about say 100 rupees or so. So friends, be very careful and then invest. Before investing, you can always check with your broker or financial advisor when to invest. Now, as a standard rule, we always invest when the share price is above moving average of 10. There should be one small candle or one large candle. You see, two small candles also in 2 days time will make one large candle. So wait till then. Don't be in a hurry to buy. Please make money. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.